Oh my God, guy, it's worked perfectly. That is everything I show you is true, and we got unlimited coin on this Superlive app. Hello, lady and gentlemen. Welcome to my brand new video tutorial. And today I will show you my researching tutorial how to get unlimited coin in this Superlive app. I know all you guys want to make new friends and earn a lot of money for free. I recommend you guys choose this Superlive app because this application will have a lot of users stream talents like singing or dancing, chat with viewers, and earn virtual gifts. It is very interesting, same I show you in this video. But this Superlive app is not for free directly. Sometime this Superlive app need top-up coins for buy gift, and you can give to any her user and buy VIP for removal penalty waiting, and the coins with VIP is need money for top-up. So in this video, I will share you my tutorial that I found it from my researching. That is free unlimited coins for this Superlive app. Okay, guy, first step, please open your browser and typing in your address right here. It is 88xcode.com/superlive. Same I typing here, and don't forget click enter to go there. Now you are in Superlive app online generator in server 1. Please click generate now button to continue to another step. Okay, this step please enter your username from your Superlive app. For my account, my name is Thiago Johnson, so I type right here Thiago Johnson, and don't forget to choose your platform. These mean your smartphone is Android or iOS. So I choose Android for my platform. Then please scrolling down a little bit, now it's time to select amount coin that you want. I recommend it to choose the maximum because it is working every time. Then click continue to go another step. Oh guy, now it was have a verification, not a robot. Because now this website have a lot of people using it, so that you must be to verify that you are not a robot. That click verify now button. This very important step to verify. If you don't know, I will explain you in another video. Please watching carefully, this is important step.
The important step, and here is an example of how to bypass this final step. In these cases, you can choose any easy app or game that you can download or install. For example, I choose to download Travel Town game and complete level 9. Because this game asks me to download and complete level 9 to unlock the resources. Make sure you read the instruction of any app or game first before you download. After downloaded, you need to play this game until you reach level 9 before you can close this game. Guy, it's very easy and really enjoy with this game. Don't worry, it's not take long time. Guy, just trust me and follow all the instructions step by step. Do not skip any step to get your resources. We do this because our system got a lot of traffic every day. We need to make sure you're the real human, not a software or robot. Okay, guy, now we reached level 9 of the game. It's mean we passed the step 1. Now just close this game and open the browser again to download the second app or game. Don't forget to read the instruction of them. In this last step, I choose to download Coin Master, and this game asks me download and raid, attack and play with online friends and complete Village 3 of the game. It's so easy to do it. Let's do together. Let's open the game and play this fun game. It's a really fun game that I recommend to you guys. This game is really fun to play with your online friends. You can attack their village, and so many fun on this game. Play this fun game by clicking the spin button to attack your friends. You need coin to upgrade your village to reach level 3, and if you run out of the coin, you can attack your friend village to get their coin, and if you run out of spin, you can connect your Facebook account then invite to friends to get free spins. Because you need some coin to unlock level 3 of the game to unlock your resources. Okay! Now just play this fun game by clicking the spin button with me in order to get free coin for upgrade our village to level 3. It's a really fun game. I go to attack my friend's village, so fun. As you can see, now we are in the village 2. We need to upgrade to village 3 now. Congratulations, now you passed the final step. Just close your browser now and go back to check your resources again. If your resources not growing, do not worry. Sometimes the system can take up to 4 hours to adding resources to your account.
Welcome back, guy. Now, after download 3 app and completed verification, finally, please open your Superlive app. Oh my God, guy, of course, everything that I promise you is true, and we got unlimited resources, unlimited coins in my Superlive account right now. Thank you for watching my video. Leave like, share this video, and subscribe with click notification button at my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.